take a large cup and add 2 ounces of currants. Bring over at the top. There we go. I shall put all the ingredients onto the description, then just cover with warm water. Right, that's going to be another half an hour to an hour. See you later. Right, we're back and we're going to make no knead currant tea cakes. I know for some of you the idea of a tea cake has already currants in it. For us, the word tea cake is a white bread cake, so that when you add currants to it, it becomes a currant tea cake. So start off your cup that you soaked your currants in. We're looking for 110 grams, and I said grams, not millilitres, of liquid. So there's 63 there, but there are 3 currants in, so we'll take those out. Right, make that up to 110 with warm water. It's gone to 114. Now I don't want you panicking. It's a bit over, don't worry. Right. Powdered milk, 2 tablespoons. Don't worry if it's a bit over. Text temperature, yeah, it's fine. It's not over hot. And we want roughly 10 grams. Well, not roughly, we want 10 grams. There we go. Right. We now need 155 grams of white flour, bread flour. Better get that back to 0. $155. Now, because we went over with the water, if it goes slightly over, up to 5 grams, there we go, 155, bang on. Oh, back of the net. Right, and then 5 grams of salt. You don't really want that to come in full contact with the yeast. There we go, right. This is in real time. So we've got the water, the yeast, the salt and the flour. Tip in your currants that are all soaked. Nice and plump. And what gives it the name, Currant T-Cake. Palette knife. Rub it round. That's it. That's literally all you need to do. Filmed in real time, one take. Cover it with kitchen roll. Not kitchen roll. Film. And then set aside in a warm place for 45 minutes. See you later. Right, we're back 45 minutes later. Risen about to double. See it there. We're going to make it into 4 tea cakes. Currant tea cakes. Put a bit of flour around there. I'm doing it on the little bit of kitchen sheet, the heat-proof sheet that I throw in the oven, and then it doesn't stick, because I find even though I flour it really well, it sticks to a traditional baking sheet. Right, last bits of dough off there. Right. I'll give it a bit of a roll. And we're looking for around 3 ounce. 3 ounce, unbelievable. 3.6 too much. 3.2, that'll be fine. 3.1, so I'll just cut a bit off there. 3.2. Put that there, that there, that there. Right, just roll them round now. Coat with flour. Pat them out. They're ready to proof now, about 30 minutes. Come on with a cloth, get a fresh tea towel, put it over there, and I'll see you in about 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. Right, we're back. 35 minutes of proofing time, all depends, there's no hard and fast rule, depends how warm. They look nice and plump and they'll rise a little bit more in the oven. Now I recently serviced the Arga, so it's quite hot, so about 12 minutes for these. In they go, and we'll see you in 12 minutes. Right, the buzzer's gone. 12 minutes. Let's see. Oh, yes. So those trays, as I said, no problems, it's not sticking to that. And they're very hot. There we go. And I don't think there's much more than 6 minutes worth of actual contact time with those.